How to check disk space in Windows 11. Hello and welcome back to DigiLive Trends. In this video, I'm going to show you how to check disk space in Windows 11. This should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. To checking disk space in Windows 11, left-click on your Windows icon, and then click on Settings. In the Settings window, click on System in the left panel. A new window will appear. Now scroll down and click on Storage. This will give you a breakdown of your categories, so when you select Show More Categories, it'll give you a breakdown of your system storage usage, whether it's in the system space, apps and features, documents, pictures, music. To get more up-to-date information, scroll down and select the Refresh button. So this is how you can simply check disk space in Windows 11. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, please hit like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you soon in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.